defines my whole work as a photographer. This was an interesting photograph because it took a couple of years to even get to the point where I could take the picture. An old friend of mine that I'd gone to school with, his name was Merle Williams, and he was a kind of one of the scions of the Williams family in Mariposa County, which was a huge family that came here and settled in Hunters Valley, and then the sons moved on out, what have you. He had told me about his being kind of the cow nurse for a herd of cattle that belonged to the governor of the state of Sonora, Mexico. And he had them each year down on the Roush Ranch on White Rock Road. This is to the south on Ben Hur. And so I went out and I looked at it, and I knew where I wanted to take the picture, the curves of the road and the dust and everything. And I sat down with the cowboys and I said, first of all, guys, I don't want any one of you with a ball cap on. That was a problem because cowboys around here wear ball caps. They don't wear cowboy hats when they're working. And they had to put on cowboy hats. And there was about 200 head of these Mexican cattle, which were kind of half scrawny with big horns and stuff. And they come down this road towards Ben Hur Road. This is, and in the early morning, on June the 1st of 1981, and Ellie, my wife, and I are at the other end of it with our cameras and set up, and I photographed them. And out of 12 shots, there was one that was really worth having. In the picture is Merle Williams, his son Walt, Ace Harmon, who is a cowboy from the Circle 9 Ranch, and also in the picture, but you can't see him, is Doc Williams and Red Harmon and others, and they're this cattle. But the cattle were on their way just a short distance to corrals that were owned by a man named Doug Strather. And then they would be loaded in trucks to shipped out, so there wasn't a big cattle drive. But they came down about a mile or a mile and a half, and they kicked up a lot of dust, and that was great for the picture. And the sun was behind the dust, and it's just everything fell into place at the right place, time, and right circumstances, and the right people, and what have you.